Happy Pride! Jamaica, one of the fun. Just sending y'all positive vibes and good energy, especially during this time. I am Theo, last name Brown, and I'm the Public Relations Officer for the Caribbean Equality Project, New York City's 501c3 organization, the only one of its kind that's advocating for the LGBTQ community. And of course, I live here in America, but my heart is always in and with Jamaica. As a queer activist, I just love our music or culture or food, or athletics. These are some of the aspects of our lives as Jamaicans that make us such a powerful and reputable force and easily recognized force across the world. You know, it's Pride Month, and I want to remind y'all that Pride started as an act of civil unrest because people were fed up and with the way they were being treated, and they wanted treatment, good treatment, fair treatment, equitable treatment, and they decided that enough is enough. So they took up themselves and they decided to rise up and just advocate for changes that they wanted to see. Right now we're protesting and we're advocating for, just changes across the board where it comes down to race relations and racial justice. And I just wanted to encourage folks to continue with the protest because I see your efforts, Jamaica, on, on social media, just trying to effect change across the world. Don't stop and don't stop believing. Remember that this Black Lives Matter movement also started with, 3 women who decided that they wanted to rise up, and wise up and just create change that they want to see in the world. My hope for Jamaica is a love without betrayal. Meaning a love where we can all be accepted, we can all be welcomed, that we can all be deemed as equal among all our peers. Laws that can recognize us as equal citizens, and rules and regulations and a culture shift that can benefit us all. So Jamaica, go and big up on yourself now. Know that it's one love and with much respect for everybody as we celebrate Pride and as we continue with the tradition of excellence, both in Montego Bay and across the island. All right? Big up. Know that it's one love, and one heart. Happy Pride.